everybody, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while and I quite probably look very different because I didn't just get back. I went to Korea about a month ago with some of my friends, and it was a very fun experience. And while I was in Korea, I decided to get my hair dyed because I heard that it was cheaper there, and one of the friends I was with also decided that she wanted to dye her hair at the same time, so we thought it would be very nice to dye her hair at the same time. The color I picked was pink, but I think because my hair is quite thin, it didn't really stay in my hair, so most of it has washed out by now and I'm pretty blonde. You can also see my roots coming in. But it was still a very fun experience and I'm glad that I got to do it. I did do a lot of stationery shopping in Korea. It was mostly from Daiso. It just feels like it wasn't very notable. It's just that I bought a lot because it was quite cheap there. Like, letter sets were about $1, so I knew I had to pick a lot of those up. But I didn't feel like that was very interesting to show, so instead in this portion of the video I'm just going to be showing the main stationery that I went to Korea for, which is fountain penning. So a long time ago I saw on Reddit someone's fountain pen collection and they had these sets that I recognized because it's a famous artwork. So I asked them where they got it from and they said that they got it from this brand called Blueblack, which you can order to the United States, but then you have to pay for shipping. For my birthday last year, someone actually did get me a set of the Blueblack inks, but I knew that when my friends and I decided to go to Korea, this was I wanted to go back and get the rest of the sets. So that is what I ended up doing. So these are the 3 sets that I saw in that Reddit post a long time ago. These are the artwork sets, and the thing about these sets is that it is a collaboration between Blueblack and Diamine, and you can actually get these colors these colors are readily available on Diamine's website, I think, but it doesn't come. What I really wanted was the packaging, and I really love that it is a set. It has the name of the painting at top. This is A Sunday in La Grande Latte. Sorry, I don't think I've ever said that name before, so sorry if it's completely wrong. I can't really read that. And it's from George Pierre Seurat. This one is Waterloo Bridge, and this is Claude Oscar Monet, and then this is Almond Blossoms by Vincent Van Gogh. So those are the 3 mini sets, and there's 3 inks in each one. And then the more impressive ones are the city sets. So they had 3 sets available, and the one I have is New York. This is the Seoul set, or it says City of Seoul, because then for London it says City of London. And the set comes with these designs which is like a skyline view of the city, which I really like. So yeah, I'm going to swatch them out for you as I put the samples in my book. So I don't know if I've shown this before, but this is my swatch book that I keep all of my washi swatches in, as well as my writing instruments. And this is where I store swatches of my fountain pennings. I made this notebook myself, so in this sort of workshop, so the paper is not that good for swatching inks, so I tend to put it on this sort of smoother paper first before sticking it into this book. So I'm just going to do these 3 first, and I'm going to write down the name of the set. And for swatching, I'm going to use my glass dip pen because it's easy to clean. And I just have some water and a paper towel next to me. These are the 3 colors for the Sunday painting. You have Luxurious Purple, Royal Burgundy, and Relaxing Gray. Moving on to Almond Blossom, the 3 colors are Almond Flower, Almond Tree, and Mood of the Day. I don't really know the significance behind any of these paintings, so I mean, obviously this almond theme is because the picture is of almond blossoms, but I wonder why the ones for the other painting were just we'll call these names. And next we're going to do Waterloo Bridge. Colors for Waterloo Bridge are light under Waterloo 1, light under Waterloo 2, and light under Waterloo 3. Very creative. So these are all the colors for the little sets. I really like the colors that they chose, and I'd like to think they had fun with the names and the packaging, which is really what won me over, to be honest. So now I'm going to swatch the inks for the City of London. But just in case anyone was curious, this is the City of New York set. If anyone wanted to know what the colors were, I swatched it last year, and what I really like is not that any of these names are like super special or anything, but they name it after things that are associated with the city. Like you have Yellow Cab, Cheeseburger, Grand Central, Statue of Liberty. So I am excited to see what they name the ones for London and Seoul. So there's 10 inks in total for the city ones. The first one is English Milk Tea. Next, we have London Gold. This is roast beef. Next, we have Mayfair. Number 4 is Westminster. Number 6 is Union Jack Blue. 7 is London Twilight. 8 is Harrods Green. Number 9 is Piccadilly. Number 10 is Heathrow Brown. And then finally, I'm going to swatch the City of Seoul colors. Already from the colors, I can already tell it's a little more colorful than the ones from London. Okay, so the colors are in Korean, so unfortunately I can't translate this at the moment. So I did a quick Google Translate on the names, and then I checked with another ink review, and maybe they also use Google Translate, but it seems pretty consistent. So this first one is called Subway. The second one is called Han River Park. Number 3 is called 63 Building. Unfortunately, I cannot tell you what that means. Number 4 is called Chicken and Beer. Number 5 is Burning Friday, which I'm assuming is some sort of holiday, but definitely do not take my word for it. Number 6 is another shimmery one, and it's called Seoul Afternoon. Number 7 is Blue House. Number 8 is Seoul's Night View. Number 9 is Iced Americano. Number 10 is Namsan Cherry Blossoms. So these are all of the cities swatched, and I just thought it would be kind of fun to look at the 3 of them side by side, because this is, I guess, kind of the color profile of their city. London is definitely a little dark compared to the other ones, but I really do like all of the profiles that they made. And Diaminex is based in UK, and Blueblack is based in Seoul, so I know that it is pretty good representation. But New York, I think the New York one's pretty accurate too, and so I'm really glad that I was able to get these inks in Seoul, and I can't wait to use all of them. I don't know if this is important to anyone watching this, but I did really enjoy my trip to Korea. It was one of those places that I never really thought I was going to go to, but now that I have, I'm so glad I did, because I really do love the city and I had such an amazing time there even though it was really humid. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my little Korea snippets and ink swatches, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye!